Guys, I'm showing you this Oyeeice iPad 9th generation case with keyboard. It's a wireless detachable folio cover with a pencil holder for iPad 9th 8th Gen or iPad Pro 10.5. So let's open and so the first like the box is really nice and protective. There's a charging cable for the keyboard. Let's open this case. So as you can see it here, this is a magnetic strip just to close in. So let me just open. So there is keyboard and the case for the iPad. So here you can see like you can rotate it. So this one is rotating or anywhere you want to do, and this one is the keyboard, and the keyboard is really nice. Is a metal in the back. So there is a magnet on the folio, so this will can stick easily. So there is a charging for the keyboard, and then you can just put in the charging here. So as you can see, this one has the magnet. So the magnet is in the folio, so the keyboard will really stick well to the folio as a magnet, and then there is no issue like in falling or taking down. The folio can be done in any shape that you want or can be used. So as you can see, you can just rotate these like in the angle and then set it up based on your requirement. The buttons, and this are also our Apple Pencil holder on the top, you can see, and the this will magnetic keyboard will come like in this way. Now let me put this iPad 9 generation just to show you the fit and the use. So from all the corners, this fits really well. In the corner, you can see it here that it covered up. So you have to on this keyboard and the Bluetooth. So once you on the Bluetooth, you can see the keyboard it here. It readily get connected. Once connected, you can easily go and just check. So I'm just typing in something randomly. So you can see it's pretty easy to use it. Just I'm trying to show you in the video that it will be easy, and then all the buttons and everything are on the keyboard. It's very helpful. It's Apple thing. There is a back LED light. As you can see, the lights are changing in the background in the keyboard. So let me just put it in this way and I'll show you the typing really easily. So you can adjust the angle. You can also type in well with the LED backlight. It's really easy to type in the dark, and then it's also a fun thing to do. So it's pretty much a nice keyboard case here, protective in all the situations. And you can just take out this keyboard, pack this up, and then let's go. So a nice folio keyboard case for iPad. So hope you like this one.